guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I want to do is just give some people some shout outs. I actually got 10 people here, so we're just gonna jump right in. Okay guys, so the first person that I want to shout out is Majestic Glitz. Most of you already know who he is. If you don't, where have you been? Get over to his channel and check him out. He does all kinds of different things. Different looks. He does lives. He goes live on Instagram. He is my YouTube bestie, and he is absolutely awesome. So everybody's name will be, and channel will be in the description below. So please make sure you check everyone out. But anyway, I absolutely adore him. He is so sweet. He's a great supporter. So yeah, check him out. And the next person I have on here is Just Ann. She does all kinds of unboxings, a bunch of different unboxings. Every month she does makeup looks, she goes live, she does it all. Giveaways, everything. So definitely check her out. She is super sweet, great supporter. I just love her to death. So please check her out too. The next one is Amy Lynn. Again, she is totally awesome. She does unboxings, all different kinds of beauty related things, lots of different collabs. She is a very unique, sweet, sweet girl. Excuse me, I'm just pulling my socks up. I got like lovely socks on today. And they're like knee high. But yeah, definitely check Amy out. The next person is It's Always Summer. She's pretty cool, really. She does a ton of lives, and her lives are always popping. So definitely, you're going to want to go check her out and subscribe to her channel. She does all kinds of different fun, like, makeup looks, reviews of things. Like, she's a lot of fun. She really is. And the next one is Deni. She is awesome. Like, she is just totally awesome. When, she does her makeup or collabs, like, she goes out there. She's, like, super sweet. She's funny. She's a whole lot of fun. Like, she really is. She also does unboxings. She has her husband on sometimes, too, and he does unboxing for men's product. I can't remember what the name of the box is. I don't remember. Anyway, make sure you check her out. And the next one up is Silah Mae. She's really cool. Like, I like her a lot. Like, I love her to death. She does all different kinds of makeup looks. She is just, like, super, super sweet. She goes live. Her lives are a lot of fun. I really, really like her. She's a lot of fun. She's, like, a very, like, genuine, like, great person. And those are hard to find nowadays. But definitely check her out. And then next up is Tweets. Tweets is very awesome. Like, I love her to death also. And she does lots of unboxings and, like, all kinds of different things. I actually did a video, it was my family mail video that she had sent me a card and a couple other things. She is super sweet. please definitely check her out. And next one up is Rindy Rae. Now, she does a lot of unboxings also. She just started like dabbling in the live, you know, going live in that. She's really cool. Like, I like her a lot too. She has every makeup that you could possibly think of. Like, she got it all. And she is awesome. And she is extremely knowledgeable in makeup. She actually used to work in like the makeup industry type. She worked with makeup. And she's very sweet. She's a great supporter. And like, I love her to death. Next one up is Nicole. Definitely check her out. Again, she has a ton of makeup. Like, anything like you could ever imagine, like, she probably got it. And so she's extremely knowledgeable in makeup. And she's very sweet. She goes live all the time. And I think she's pretty cool. Like, she's definitely pretty cool. So check her out. And last but not least is Ranalynn. I'm not sure how to say her last name. I think it's Naipo. No? Naipo. Not sure. But her link will be down below. But she's pretty cool. She's from Hawaii, and she does different makeup looks. She does a lot of skincare and just all different kinds of things. She takes you out and about with her. Shows you Hawaii and all different kinds of things, really. She's pretty knowledgeable in the skincare. But yeah, definitely check her out. I know I went through them kind of fast, but you know, they're just definitely people you want to check out. They are all like near and dear to my heart. And if I did not mention you, it does not mean that I don't like your channel. These are just my first 10 of the shout outs that I'm going to do. And these people I'm probably, you know, right now are the closest to on the YouTube, with my YouTube family. And they definitely deserve shout outs. Not that no one else does. I just put this hat on the back of my chair. Hello, little guy. You guys liking my hair today? My little buns? I was just live on Instagram with Majestic Glitz for probably like 4 hours, maybe longer than that. I'm not sure what time it is, but quite some time. Did my makeup and that on there. It was pretty cool. My ears are getting red 'cause I keep messing with them. But yeah, I was messing with my eyebrows, trying to get them, you know, I don't know. I just have a thing with my eyebrows and like how they're not even. But I did my makeup on there. I think it turned out pretty nice. What you guys think? But I don't know. That's really all I got. Just wanted to get a video out there. It seems like, you know, I've been going live a lot more lately and not doing too many videos. And I just did a get ready with me. I'm hoping maybe possibly to be doing a haul video within the next few days. So watch out for that. A little update on my bubby. She's doing, she's not in here. She's doing like better. Today when I gave her medicine, she actually ate dog food. Like, believe it or not, dog food, which is kind of weird for her because she thinks she's human, and I don't know. But anyway, I'm already up to 10 minutes here, and I don't want to ramble on. All my videos seem to, like, you know, go on forever. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down there or down here, and ring that notification bell so you can be updated on any of my future videos that I may post. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate all the love and support that I get from each and every one of you. And that's it. I will see you guys next time.